Adam here from Alpaca. Now this is the Momentum collection. 3 bags designed for the way that you move. All of them are made from our newly engineered Axodyne fabric. So they're waterproof, they're abrasion resistant, and they're super lightweight. So whether you're heading to the gym, or you're commuting to work, or you're gearing up for that weekend adventure, there's a Momentum bag that fits right in for you. Let's dive in and check them out. First up, it's a Momentum Duffel. Now think of this as your go-to for the gym, quick getaways, or even your travel sidekick. It's got 35 litres of space and it weighs less than a kilo, so it's really light, but it's roomy. You can carry it however you like, grab the top handles, or throw on the padded shoulder strap when you want to go hands-free. The side straps and D-rings make opening and closing really smooth and easy. In the front, there's a zippered compartment with these 3 pockets for things you want quick access to. On the back, you've got a hidden pocket with a luggage pass-through, so airports are a breeze. Inside, you've got loads of space for clothes, shoes, or towels, plus 6 mesh pockets to keep things organised. Small ones for your wallet, AirPods, or your keys, and bigger ones for toiletries or your tech. Basically, whether it's an early gym session, a road trip, or your next flight, the Momentum Duffel is always ready to go. Let's take a look at the Momentum backpack. Now this one's perfect for everyday carry. It's 22 litres, it weighs just 700 grams, and it's super easy to live with. Up front, you've got 2 organiser pockets for your phone, power bank, or a small camera. There's even a magnetic key tether, so you're not digging around for your keys. The back panel is padded for comfort, and it's got a luggage pass-through for travel. There's also a hidden side pocket for things like your passport or your wallet. And you've got a hanging loop up here, handy for keeping your bag off the floor when you're out and about. On top, there's a grab handle. The shoulder straps are lightly padded, and you've got vertical webbing loops if you want to add a sternum strap or clip on a carabiner. On the sides, horizontal Hyperlon webbing allows you to attach hub accessories like our hub clip. Inside is laid out smartly. You've got a mesh pocket on the front, a side pocket for your water bottle, and at the back, a padded laptop sleeve that fits up to a 16-inch MacBook. The middle has space for clothes, books, or work gear. Basically, it's ready for the office, the airport, or just your daily run around. Last but not least, this little baby, the Momentum Sling. This is your grab and go bag. Super light at just 275 grams with a 2-litre capacity. It's pretty small, but surprisingly handy. The front compartment is simple. One open space with a key tether, so your keys are always easy to find. Inside, you've got a mesh pocket for the small stuff, like your phone, AirPods, or your passport, and an open space that fits a wallet or even a Nintendo Switch too. Perfect for everyday use or for keeping your travel documents right where you need them. The shoulder strap uses our Maglock swivel buckle, so it really moves with you, and it pops off easily with the quick release button. And on the bottom, there's a D-ring, and that works with our magnetic stabilizer strap, so the sling stays locked in when you're cycling or if you're on the move. It's compact, it's versatile, and it's always ready when you are. So guys, that's the Momentum collection. You've got the duffel for when you need space, the backpack for everyday carry, and the sling for the essentials. 3 bags, 1 collection, built to keep you moving forward.